The dream of Advent is to bring us all together, to work together, to build a world led by God's own glory in His mercy and justice for company. Together we prepare the way of the Lord. May all of our actions, all of us, may all of our actions contribute to such works, and truly all flesh shall see the salvation of God. I want you to remember something very, very clearly this evening. Very clearly. At this Advent liturgy, we are taking the same walk to the New Jerusalem that Jesus took. You know what that leads to? It leads to where God's holy dream becomes our reality.